I bet you sounded just like
wrong side.
Honey, you gotta do it the other way. Put the glass.
You gotta put it right here because you're gonna do it.
Yeah. Put your mouth as you go across the glass.
Sorry.
That's a baby. Here. No, wait.
That other side.
Now stop. Now.
Oh! So she was about to tip it up and put
Yes.
it. Oh, okay.
Hold your nose when you do it.
Okay. Are you ready? I think I got it.
I think she's been rolling for a while.
How much am I supposed to drink? Because that little sippy. You still have them? I don't know.
No, I have them.
Well, maybe because I'm thinking about it.
Alright, the next
I wish I had
method,
her back.
I don't think she has them.
water. Do you have hiccups?
Yeah, I got them back.
Okay, just
No.
sip it. Just sip it.
Oh, there was one. Oh yeah, she's gonna plug my. Okay. Ow!
I want to put you and Gary Busey in a car. Gail and Open style.
I still heard that. Ow!
She said she was saying something. He goes,
It popped my ears when she did that. Oh, I'm safe! Oh!
What can I get for you?
11 with a couple bitters. I'm trying to cure my hiccups. Okay. And we're videotaping it.
that looks awful to me.
That looks nasty. It's her birthday.
Just a drop of it on there. That's anti-show bitters.
Oh, just a little drop. That's it. Just that? Yes. That's it. Okay, wait, let me just show this shot. Here's a shot of bitters. Not going to do that. Just a couple drops. Yeah. Oh, the popper didn't work. Next. Not a shot of bitters, just a little bit of bitters on the lemon. The whole thing?
Yes.
Even with the rind?
Yes. Just suck on it. Yep.
Was that the coffee?
Oh! I'm cured again! Oh!
It's weird. You're cured every 60 seconds.
I think it's working because the lemon is in it.
It works right up until it doesn't.
Do not talk me into doing that.